Kev G weather overview. Take a look at the current temperatures. Most places in the mid to upper 60s, and some inland areas along I-95 may make a run at 80 degrees today. If you can believe it, we haven't hit 80 degrees in a long time. So, in a few spots, it will come close as we have a good amount of sunshine and some warm temperatures. But right along the coast, we got that southerly wind. So, that is going to keep a little bit of an ocean influence for those regions. But definitely take advantage of today because it is the better of the two weekend days, as they say in the trade. So today's highs, you can see that NOAA is trying to show you where we may flirt with 80 degrees, but along the coast it's going to be harder with that aforementioned ocean wind. Then tomorrow we cloud it up, and temperatures will be definitely lower tomorrow with plenty of clouds around and rain arriving late in the day. Monday is raw and ugly for Columbus Day. Highs around 60 with plenty of clouds and occasional rain. That's going to be the general theme for you Columbus Day. And then improving conditions on Tuesday with highs rebounding quite nicely with perhaps a west wind pushing a warm air mass through. Wednesday, much of the same. Thursday, not a bad day. And then we wait for another front to come in. This is for Thursday. And then we wait for another front to come in for Friday. And this is going to knock our temperatures down for next weekend, but we may squeeze out another nice day for Friday before that cooler air mass comes in. You can see all those cool temperatures off to the west, and I have a feeling that they will make some inroads as we go into next weekend. Now we take a look at the Tropical Tidbits page, and I'll show you the NAM model. Now, what I've been noticing with the models is that they are stalling the rain a little bit by a few hours. We're high and dry today with the nice southerly breeze, and then we have our rain move in. Now, the models are slowing it down just a little bit. It will make it in here, but this is by late in the day on Monday, and we don't have much, Sunday rather. Late in the day on Sunday, and we don't have much appreciable rain until after 4 or 5 o'clock. And that's when light rain starts to develop, and then it'll get heavy at times. And then for much of the day Monday, it's just occasional rain and drizzle. We should get a good soaking out of this with highs generally around 60, so not the best of Mondays for a lot of people who are lucky enough to have it off for Monday. Now, if we take a look at the wider view off the GFS, it paints very much the same picture. You have this high pressure that's east of the area on Monday. You have the low that's affecting our weather with occasional rain and drizzle. And we have east wind off the cooler Atlantic Ocean, so that is not going to bode well for Monday. Much of it will be socked in with periods of rain. And then we're slow to clear for Tuesday, but sun should develop for much of the day, especially after noontime on Tuesday. And then Wednesday, we have high pressure that's in control of our weather, and that's where the nice temperatures start to take hold. And then this late week arriving front by Thursday night into Friday should give us some unsettled weather for a time before we have a cooler air mass move in for next weekend. So that's the general theme. So some much needed rain coming in over the next couple of days, and we'll watch it develop from southwest to northeast tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow night, continuing for much of Monday before clearing Monday night into Tuesday.